what is light dependent resistor. A light dependent resistor or LDR is also called a photoresistor. It is also called a photoconductor. It is basically a photocell that works on the principle of photoconductivity. The passive component is basically a resistor whose resistance value decrease when the intensity of the light increase. This is called the light dependent resistor. Now this is the LDR, you can see, and this one is a symbol for the LDR. So LDR or photoresistor is made any semiconductor material with a high resistance. It has a high resistance because there are very few electrons that are free and able to move. So the construction of LDR includes a light sensitivity material which is placed on insulating substrate like ceramic. The material is placed in a zigzag shape. You can see the material is placed in a zigzag shape, and the area of zigzag separate the metal placed areas into two regions. Okay, so the LDR resistance decrease with the intensity of light indicating upon it. Okay, the resistance of an LDR may typically have the following: when the daylight, it provide a few resistance, and the dark, in the full dark night, it will give huge resistance. Okay. So the working principle of the LDR is a photoconductivity that is nothing but an optical phenomenon. When the light is absorbed by the material, then the conductivity of the material reduces. When the light falls on the LDR, then the electron in the valence band of material are eager to the conduction band, but the photons in the incident light must have energy superior than the band gap of the material to make the electrons jump from one band to another band, means the valence to conduction. Hence, when the light having ample energy, more electrons are excited to the conduction band, which grades in a large number of charge carrier. When the effect of this process and the flow of the current start flowing more, the resistance of the device decreased. So now come to the experiment. For this experiment we need a supply light, which is this, and this is the LDR. So all of you know the LDR symbol, so you can see this one is LDR, which is held in front of light. A lux meter, this is the lux meter, which will sense the intensity of the light, and a voltmeter inbuilt, and the current for measurement current, ammeter. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to increase the intensity of this light with this potential knob. Okay, so whenever we will move this potential knob, the light intensity will get increased or decreased, and according to that we will take the reading from the voltage and the current meter. Okay, when the light intensity held in the area, so the resistivity will be low, and when the light intensity is low, then the resistivity will be high. Okay, so this is the format of this experiment. So now what we have to do, we have to just put on this lux meter in front of LDR. So now you can see the 25 is the intensity of the natural light of that room. Okay, this is the sensor, this will sense the light intensity. We will put this sensor in front of light, and we will take the reading through lux meter. There is a hold button, we have to click on that on that hold button and we have to take the reading. According to that intensity, you can see the current and the voltage. Now what we have to do, we have to just increase the intensity a little bit and take the intensity again, take the intensity through the lux meter. Just put the lux meter in front of light and the same process will be held. Click on the hold button and take the reading. Now you can see the intensity is 298. Okay, so the intensity is 298. For 298 lux intensity, then you have to remove that lux meter. Otherwise if it will be placed in front of the LDR, then your voltage and current will be not change conditions. Okay, because the light will be not held in the LDR, so we will remove that lux meter and you can see the voltage and current is changed. This is the voltage and the current for the intensity 298. Okay, 298 lux intensity. So this is the experimental table. You can see we have to take the reading according to your intensity. Then you will see the current and voltage. According to your current and voltage, you have to calculate the resistance and the power. Okay, then you have to just plot a graph. This is the nature of a graph. You can see the light intensity and the resistance. The light intensity when the dark time, the resistance is high, huge. Okay, and the sunny time means when the light intensity is medium, then the resistance is medium. But when the light intensity is high, okay, so the resistance is low at that condition. Come to the applications. You can use the LDR in various type of applications. The LDR is used as a smoke detector, or you can use it as a street light conditions. Okay, so this is the advantages for the LDR. LDR is available in various size and shape, and the photoresistor is very fast and immediate output will be given by this photoresistance. So now come to the disadvantages. The LDR are highly inaccurate with high response time, and photoresistors are not withstand voltage above 1000 volts. Like this, there is a various type of disadvantages and advantages applications held. So this is all about this experiment, and this is the assignment for this experiment, and so that's it. Thank you.